Hey babes, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an exciting video. I know this might not be exciting and it might be a little bit redundant. It's exciting for me because we're doing the last solo video using the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, which is the last individual palette video, and then I'm going to try to do another video using all the palettes, at least including all of the palettes in some way. Today's video is the last palette and it is Armed and Gorgeous, and actually this is the palette that I actually was most excited about, and y'all aren't road. Look at her, how pretty. A whole bunch of yellowness, some orange. If you guys are excited for today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the post notification bell button to get a notification straight to your phone from me to you, as well as be sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, because we are all about love here. Amar. Let's get into the glamour. Like I said, I have pretty intense brows already on. I usually use my P. base, but I'm feeling the need to use my Shape Tape today, so we're gonna use her. As much as I am enjoying my Jaclyn Co sponge, I was like, I literally have been neglecting my beauty blenders since I have all my other beauty blenders. Now this one doesn't have a matte brow bone shade, which is shady. Hello. Obviously, we have to start in with Access, which is this beautiful shade here, and I'm gonna use my BH brushes today. So I've been seeing like the smoky like outer wing, so I'm gonna try to complicate how to do that. I love a good big thick brush. I'm gonna take the color Secure, which is this beautiful orange shade down here, like right underneath my and then any residual product, I'm just gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna take Agent as well. Has more brown than the other one, and I'm gonna use the same brush and see if I can get some depth in. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Smooth Criminal right there. Again, everything is blending so smoothly for me. You bring honor to us all. I'm trying to convince my sister to do this video with me, which I kind of have had planned in my cabeza. Reacting, like, have you guys seen do you guys watch the React channel? I love them, and I want to do like reacting to like Disney songs, because our household was raised on Disney. So I'm gonna go ahead and carve my lid out and whatnot. Take my I don't want to cheat on this video, but the lid color is supposed to be like a blank matte shade, so I'm just gonna take my Huda Beauty powder. I'm gonna take a really small detailed brush, and I'm gonna take the color Proud, which is the darkest brown here, and I'm gonna actually edge out okay, so here is where this is at. I'm gonna take the color VIP, which is this like Blanc shade right here. That's a shimmer. It's a shimmer. Lashes today, I'm just gonna take my Roar lashes from Lash Kitty. I swear I am not sponsored by them, but I literally enjoy them. We went ahead and I finished my eyes. Take the Miracle Blur primer in my Smashbox primer water. I'm gonna go ahead and try the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation again, just because, you know, I want to use a regular sponge. I can already tell that the sponge kind of absorbed way more than I'm used to. It's a beautiful foundation, but I just feel like with the sponge, it's not giving me full coverage. Like, you can definitely see that my redness is no longer here. Trust me, if I go down to the next shade underneath this is, it gets dark. Try using a brush. This is just the M439 brush from Morphe. I want to see, does the brush work better or the sponge? If you see right here, it doesn't even stay on there. I don't know. This foundation though is very like dry. Surprisingly, I feel like this side looks more full coverage. I don't know. What do you think? This is a nice full matte coverage foundation, and when I mean matte, this is a matte foundation. My Huda Beauty powder and pound cake. Okay, so I've already set the main center of my face. Take Patrick's powder for my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the bronzer contour highlight process because you guys have seen it. Speed along real quick. Gonna take the same color and I'm also really interested in this color called Top Secret, so I might just add this like on the inner. Now with the color Secure and Alert, I'm just gonna go here and I'm just gonna start blending it upwards because I want to connect the orange. I do like the pop of green down there. I just feel like it's a little pop of something. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the inner corner highlight. There's just a lot of other colors, so I'm just gonna take VIP mixed with Guilt Trip. That eye is done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lower lash mascara. It's pretty. I like it a lot. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So here is the face without any highlight except my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Mariah Carey highlighter and my Mimi. It's like a bronzy little glow here. I think we can definitely use here. I'm also gonna take the Mary Luminizer. It's an oldie but a goodie highlight. Just to give some reflectiveness. I'm just gonna take my Ofra highlight and I'm just going to apply it on the top of my cheekbone. For the lip options, I feel like if I don't overline my lips, it's not. I'm gonna take my Fenty gloss because I just need a lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face once more with my Morphe setting spray, and then we're gonna go in with my fan just to set it all in place. The final look. This is the fourth look from the Whole Volt collection. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. As if you know, today is going to be the day that I have actually used all 4 palettes. So I'm not even going to lie, each palette performs exactly the same. Much surprise there. I don't know if somebody's like doing it on purpose or something, but these 4 palettes, at least for mine, they perform very well. They are great. They're very blendable. You can see the gradation because trust me, I have used palettes back in the day when I tried to do like layering and I tried to be like, oh my god, why are my eyeshadows not blending or they're not looking as like gradient as I want them to do, and unfortunately it ends up happening to be the formula of the eyeshadow, even if it's a brand like back in the day, like I don't know, like Mally Beauty or Smashbox back in the day, they really, or like I don't know, like a drugstore brand. Palettes, sometimes they do not have good formulas, and unfortunately that's why people are ending up buying expensive palettes, because they work on the formulas more. Now the beauty about these palettes is that these are $15 each, and these perform very well. At least to my knowledge, these work so well. I love them. I think the Morphe formula actually is a really great formula. I know they are made or production, or they're produced in China, but somehow they have gotten it to be so amazing and so cost efficient, and they just have gotten so much better with packaging. And I just love this thing. It's like Jaclyn's whole thing is like white and silver with like a metallic beautiful finish, which queen. I used let's see, I've used VIP, Access, Guilt Trip, Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and Agent. The only two I didn't use were these two, which is Coin and Classified. So this one is Coin. That's a pigmented shadow, bitch. The fuck? See that? Well, you can see that both of the colors are very pigmented, and they're blending out super nicely. Here's what these look like. They are super pigmented. They're blinding, as you can see. They're so pretty, and they work super nicely. They're reflective, and they're shiny, and they're smooth. And this is incredible formula for the price you're getting. Like, is it like a MAC quality? I feel like every brand has their own niche with their eyeshadows and stuff, and I do really like Morphe. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited for the last big showdown with using all 4 palettes in one creative, amazing look. And I'm so excited to use them all. And I think buying the whole collection is going to be the best option, at least for someone like me that is a makeup collector and loves to use different eyeshadows and wants to have different shadows for like a section or for like a different situation. So each situation, each event, or each whatever you're going to do with your life, you can definitely choose a shadow palette for that, or you can just use the big one. So yeah, I am very happy with each of the palettes. Honestly, each palette has worked really well. I've loved each palette for different reasons. This one because it's honestly, I was the most excited for it because I saw her do that beautiful yellow look, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do something like that? I love it. I think it works really great. You can definitely use Coin on the lid. The Coin color, it speaks to me like a flashy, like smoky, shimmery eye. Like, I might do a different look with this palette. So definitely check out Instagram if you guys want to see those, because I always be popping out different looks on there if I don't upload it on here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you in my next one.